Good morning, welcome to Morning Maths, day 33. You know what to do, let's go. We've got little different pictures today. Let's start with year 3 level as always. 700 plus 30 plus mystery. I'm always squeezing this in, aren't I? At the end, so I don't bump into this menu bar. 700 plus 30 plus a mystery equals 738. So if we look at the 738, we've got 7 in the hundreds column. That's 700, isn't it? 700 is the 700. We've got 3t, which we call 30. 3 in the tens column. 30, which is here. We've got 8 units, which is not anywhere up the top. So 8 units is what is missing from the missing box. So what we're looking for in question 1 is 8. Question 2, some column addition, 534 plus 257. Column addition, you've been working on your 3s. 4 plus 7, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 11. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 8. But don't forget this little one, that goes up to 9 with that. I've kind of covered it up, but you can see it's a 9. 5 plus 2, I need some space on my number line. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 2 is 7. 791. 534, we added something to it and it got bigger because plus makes things bigger usually. So there's question 2 done. Hope you're keeping up nicely. And we'll go to question 3. 10 minus 6, this we just draw on a number line. Still, we've got the word minus instead of the sign minus, just so you get used to the word. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves me on 4. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And now we're on question 4. This is 4, keep saying 4. This is 4 times 9. 4 lots of 9. We're going to get 4, we're going to get it 9 times. So I'm going to sing my 4 times table up to 9 fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28, 32, 36. That's what I got, 36. If you had 4 once, you'd just have 4. But if you had 4 9 times, you'd have a lot. You'd have 36. Question 5, we'll use the cats for this. 12 divided by 2. It will only work if there's 12 cats. So I'm going to check that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, divided by 2, so we're sharing them into 2 groups. I can do this fast now. We've been doing this every day every day that you do this maths for. This is the 33rd day we've been doing this. So I can go quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cats in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And that's year 3 level work done. We'll move next on to year 4 level. Hope you're fast enough these days, year 3, if you're working with me. Let's go to year 4 for whoever's on year 4. Question 6. 700 plus something plus 9. 700 plus a mystery plus 9. The mystery, I'm guessing, is going to be in the 10 times table, but we'll see. 700 plus mystery plus 9 equals 719. Okay. We've got the 700. That's there. We've got the 9. That's there. And then 110 is 10. So 10 is the missing number we were looking for. So 10 goes in the box. Next, we're going to do a sum of. Sum of means plus. Question 7, sum of 2,580 and 3,495. 2,580, 3,495. Just being careful with my copying of the digits from the question. That makes 5, of course. 0 plus 5. 8 plus 9. That's 17. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 6,075. keep that on the board while I do the next one. Question 8. 568 take away 71. Make sure you line this up right. Top number has 3 digits, the bottom number only has 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 take away 7 we can't do. 6 will need some help. Like this. 16 take away 7 is 9. And don't forget this 4 at the front, it's worth 400. So it's very important. Minus makes things smaller. 568 got smaller. It became 497. That's what minus does to things. And we'll go to question 9. I'll do that at the top. Let's just move these while I remember. Question 9. 88 lots of 5. So we can do grid method for this, I think. 88. 80 and 8 is how you partition 88. Times by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 0 is 0. And over here, 5 times 8 is 40. Alright. 88 times 5 is 440. That makes sense, actually. I'll tell you, some of you might be interested in how I check that. 88 times 10 would be 880. Then I half it and I get 440. Because you add up these two answers, don't you? And you get 440 as our final answer. You might do column addition to add up 440. But I think you can see that it's going to be 440, isn't it? No units. 440 is our answer. Question 10, we'll do some sharing, which of course means divide. 453 will divide by 3 because the digits add up to 12. Let's do that. First we say how many 3's in 4, and the answer is 1, remainder 1. Because 3 fits into 4, 1 times 3, but there's still 1 left. How many 3's in 15? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. I counted on my fingers and 5 3's fitted into 15. How many 3's fit into 3? Exactly 1. 151 is the answer. That's year 4 level done. Let's go to year 5. Question 11. 5,000 plus 850 plus a mystery. So we've got our 5,000. We've got our 850. And the rest is a mystery, which we have to find. That box might be bigger than it needs to be. Anyway, all of that, according to the question, adds up to 5,852. So we've got 5,000, that's there. We've got 800 over here. We've also got a 50 over here from the 850. We haven't got the 2 units, so it's just 2. Didn't need much of a box there. It's just the 2 that is missing. 5,852 is of course 5,852. You can hear what's going on. Big question next. Big addition question. One common mistake is copying the question incorrectly. So very carefully copy these digits. You should be automatically thinking that on a question with a lot of digits. You've got to be careful with copying them. 32243 75354. Okay. And the addition doesn't seem to have... Is this true? Oh, a tiny bit of carrying at the front. 7 10,000s plus 3 10,000s is 10 10,000s. If you call that carrying. Quite an easy question once you'd copied it correctly. Just check over it. And we get 107,000, that's the thousands comma, 107,597 is how we say that. That's question 12. Let's go on to question 13. There's a lot to copy on that one, isn't it? A few more seconds. And question 13. Another big number, 52,672. 52672 and 31591. 31591. Careful copying needed on these big numbers, on all numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 9, can't do that. Get the help. 17 take away 9 is 8. 5 take away 5, that works, it's 0. 2 take away 1, 5 take away 3. 21,081, that's what we say. 21,000, comma, 21,081. Often when you have a 0 here, you have to say and. 21,081. We get for question 13, because minus usually makes things smaller. Question 14. Multiplication, so we'll do standard method here. 9876 multiplied by 5. 9,876 multiplied by 5. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35, plus 3, 38. 5 times 8, 40, plus 3, 43. 5 times 9, 45, plus 4, 49. 49,380 we get for that. I'll just check my times tables, and by carrying worked out okay. Question 15. Let's do that at the top. If I can move this. Thank you. 15 we'll do up here because bus stop doesn't take up too much space. Shares 75 between 3. Although, as you see, when I do the bus stop, I'll usually put it on the line below the question number. So there's room for the answer to go above. This will divide by 3 because 7 and 5 add up to 12, which is in the 3s. How many 3s in 7? 3, 6 is 2, but remainder 1. How many 3s in 15? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Count on my fingers, it was 5. That's a pretty useful number fact to know. 25 and 75 are connected, and they come up a lot in maths. 3 times 25 is 75. 75 divided by 3 is 25. Let's move on to the Year 6 level. Let's go fast today for everyone who's on this. Well, I can't go that fast because I've got to copy all of this out, which does take a while. But 4,300 plus something plus 8 equals, I'll put the answer over here so I can clearly see the difference. So we've got 4,300, we've got the 4,000, we've got the 300. Nothing in the tens there, nothing in the units there, but we've got 8 units here. So what's missing is 110. 110 is of course 10, isn't it? 10 is missing. 4,310 and 8, 4,318. Yeah, 4,318. Question 17. Line up the decimal point. You can put 7.7 on the top. Often I don't, but you can. But the decimal point must line up. Decimal point must line up. 77.77. Loads of sevens, all sevens. 85.47 is our answer. 77 plus 7 would be 84, wouldn't it? But we had a carried one here, which made it 85. 85 and a bit. Okay, question 18 next. 5, take away 3.42. Don't get tricked by this. 5 needs to go on the top. 5 is the same as 5.0 or 5.00. Take away 3.42. You need the biggest number on the top, and 5 is bigger than 3 and a bit. Even though it might not look it, it is. 5 is bigger than 3 and a bit. 0 take away 2 we can't do. We'll get some help, as we always do when we need to. 10 take away 2 is 8. 9 take away 4 is 5. 4 take away 3 is 1. Sorry about my strange 8. Let's do that again. 1.58. That makes sense. If you know your number bonds, 42 goes with 58 to make 100. 5 minus 3 is 2, but it was actually 5 minus 3 and a bit, so it goes below 2. 1.58. Question 19. 4.9. I'll line it up as if it's 49 times 6, but it's really 4.9 times 6. 6 times 9, 54, isn't it? 6 times 4, 24, plus 5, 29. But it's not 294, it's 29.4, because you had one decimal place in the question. As an estimate, you could say that's almost 5. 5 times 6 is 30, but it's a little bit less than 5, so it should be a little bit less than 30, which it is. That's meant to be a tick. Let's go to question 20. Divide this big number, which probably adds up to something. The digits probably add up to something in the 3 times table, because I don't have remainders on these usually, do I? Maybe I should do some of those one day. So how many 3's in 4? 1, remainder 1. How many 3's in 12? 4. How many 3's in 4? 1, remainder, no. 1, remainder 1. How many 3's in 12? 3, 6, 9, 12 is 4. Oh, I know what it's doing. 1, remainder 1. Oh, it's doing the 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4 thing. Because we had 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. It's made a 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4 pattern. So the answer is 141,414. Okay. 141,414. You can check all your answers. We've done day 33. And see you next time.